Hey guys, so it is the 18th of December. In 2 hours, I'm gonna drive my wife and daughter to the airport so they can fly to Poland for a wedding. And it's kind of an interesting situation we got going on. So my wife went to pack last night, pulled her dress out of the closet, and it smelled like cat pee. We don't have a cat. We've never had a cat in here. So we started digging, and it turns out a cat had peed on the inside of the closet.
A long time
ago. And we didn't know about it until our trailer leaked and got the inside of the closet wet. So I start poking around and quite literally poked a hole through the floor of our closet because the plywood was rotten, and then went to the other side and there was standing water under the carpet and the foam pad and some black mold. So I started cutting it out, and a bunch of the subfloor is rotten. We don't know if the walls are rotten, and so we don't know what this means.
Well, it means that we have 2 leaks in our trailer that have been there for a while that we didn't know about when we bought it. And we had our trailer checked out. Like, we took it to a place and
paid them money
to inspect the trailer, and we keep on finding stuff everywhere that they totally missed. And a lot of the stuff was livable. I got sick about 3 weeks ago, and I've had a cough for the last 3 weeks that I haven't been able to shake. And lo and behold, we discovered black mold. So it's been making me sick.
Last night she went and slept on the couch, not because she was mad or I was in trouble. We just figured she needed to sleep on the couch and get away from the mold, because the mold is on her side of the bedroom area in the fifth wheel. Sure enough, she laid down, didn't cough once, and went to sleep. And it's very frustrating. So I'm in the process of tearing out the carpet. I've hosed it down with heavy Clorox solution. We're gonna try to kill what we can on the black mold, and then I'll finish cutting the carpet out. And I think we're gonna have a mobile RV repair guy come out and take a look at it and really point us in the right direction. If we can fix it, if we can salvage it, what we can do to make it better. So it's my understanding, from what I can tell, the way these things are put together, they lay the subfloor and the carpet down, and then all the fixtures and closet walls and everything go over it. Well, the closet walls are rotten on both sides, and there's some rot in the wall under the dresser fixture. So I don't even know if this is something that we can fix. And once the mobile repair guy takes a look at it and tells us what direction we can go, that's where we step into the big unknown. Do we sell it to someone as a handyman special? Will a place take it on trade? Can we even find something within our budget to keep this trip going? We're only 4 months in.
Not even 4 months.
3.5, yeah.
3.5.
It'll be 4 on the 5th of January. So we don't know, and we're in a holding pattern. We're gonna hang out where we are for the next 2 weeks anyway, through the first of the year. So that'll give us some time to sort some stuff out. So that's pretty much it. And we're sharing this with you because like that old spaghetti western song goes, we gotta share the good, the bad, and the ugly. And this is both bad and ugly.
Yeah, I didn't even want to make this video.
No. And so but hey, some transparency on YouTube. It's not all unicorn farts and leprechauns and rainbows and swimming with dolphins, because that's always in those RVer videos, swimming with dolphins. So so this is the dark underbelly of living full-time on the road and trying to do it on a budget, because we didn't spend 70 grand on a new RV. We spent considerably less, and sometimes you get what you pay for. And we're gonna figure it out as we go.
So thanks for watching, guys. I will be vlogging in Poland, so we'll get some footage for that. And I'm going to be editing this today, so you'll get a day of video, which is not normal for me.
No. And all of this is getting done on her MacBook Pro that has to go back to the Apple Store on the way to the airport in a big city with an Apple Store. So it's just, it's a perfect storm of just kind of stress. Merry Christmas.
Carpenter, won't you build yourself us right where our children they grow. Built on a foundation made of stone.